tea house, and I want you to see that it's just a wonderful place to be right now. But there's many restaurants here in Columbia and Sonora and Murphy's. But the point of this is to encourage you to take time to learn more about Canvas so you can get back to the things that you love to do. Now, this may not be your cup of tea, but I think you'll get the picture. You'll be able to have more time doing the things you love to do. Thank you. Once you click on pages, the home page is going to show up first. So you're just going to click on view all pages, and all the pages, content pages that is, that you have made in Canvas are going to show up. And you can sort by creation date and last edit if you need to, or the page title. So one thing that we did discover, and this is fairly new to Canvas, is that you can duplicate these pages. Now, you remember this means it's published or non-published, but maybe I had some overviews that I just wanted to continue using the graphics, the format, and I'm going over here to the week 3 overview, and I'm just coming over here to the cogwheel and I'm clicking on duplicate. So it's going to create a copy and it's going to number the copies after that. So that way I can go in and I can actually edit the text, everything. So what if this was really going to be week 2? Can take that off. It's not going to overwrite anything because I have a unique name here. And then I just edit the text here, and then I come down and save and publish. And that way I can actually bring it into my module. So I hope that saves some time for you. One thing that we did discover though, this is a little bit of a watch out, is that if you have a page, say you're bringing over some of your modules from another uh, Canvas course, or you want to reuse it, and there is a page that you are importing in called float code for images and text, it's going to override this. It will not, if you're copying over, it will not provide a duplicate page. So just be careful about that. But you can duplicate these pages by going to the cogwheel and duplicate here. Okay, I hope that helped.